In this presentation, we'll show the process of the installation of Naso CC software. First, we have to configure Windows Server to check if you have enabled the .NET Framework 3.5. To do this, you have to go to Add Roles and go to the Features and select Net Framework 3.5 feature. Then we will go to Next Text screen. And now we will install this additional module to Windows Server. When the installation of Net Framework is finished, we can close Server Manager. And now we will start installation of CTI Server. It's a server part of our software. To do this, we have to start CTI Server setup. The setup program will automatically check if SQL Server Express is installed on your computer or not. If it's not installed, our installer will automatically install SQL Server Express with default value, which are suitable for Naso CC software. Now we only click on OK, and the process of installation of Microsoft SQL Server 2014 will start. Please do not install SQL Server manually, because you can set the wrong parameters. In case you have SQL Server already installed, please check if authorization mode for SQL users is set to mixed mode, so you can log to the SQL Server with Windows accounts and SQL accounts. This feature is necessary for all CTI software. Installation of SQL Server is going automatically. When the installation will be finished, again our CTI Server installer will be launched and we can continue the installation. Now SQL Server installation is finished. We are waiting for CTI Server setup to be started again. Now we can go through the installation of CTI Server. We are proceeding the installation with default values. Here you can change only file folder where you will store the files. It's necessary for call recording options. When you click Next, system will automatically generate database structure and install all the necessary software for CTI Server. Now server part is installed. The next step is to install supervisor on the server. It's required for the initial configuration and activation of the software. We are starting Naso CC supervisor setup. Here in the parameters we have to replace the default IP with your IP of the server, or in this case we can set localhost as it's installed directly on the server. Now we click on next, and after the installation we are automatically launching the supervisor. At the first time we have to enter the license and activate the system. Here you have to enter license number, either demo version or full version. Now you have to click on generate to generate hardware token, which is necessary for activation of the license. These two information, license number and hardware token, you have to send to us to receive the activation code. When you will receive the activation code from our help desk, you can enter this activation code and activate the software. Now you can log into the supervisor. Default username is admin with empty password. And now we have the information that system is installed. There is no configuration, so we can start configuration wizard to prepare the system to work. First, you have to select PBX type, and then we'll go for the other configuration.